Hi everyone, welcome to Infinity Capital. This is Raj. So we are going to do a quick weekly analysis of Bitcoin. So this is BTC USD on the Coinbase exchange. We are looking at the weekly chart here. On the right, if you see, there was this big breakdown. However, if you notice on your left, this is the area of interest, and this BTC USD has been consolidating in this area of interest. So what's happening here? The BTC tried going up, but it closed lower. However, this is encouraging. This week's sort of price action is encouraging, wherein the price is went up and it sort of closed higher. So let's quickly go on to the moving averages as to what they are trying to tell us. So the blue line is the 200-day moving average, which is still trending upwards. The 50-day moving average has started trending downwards, obviously, because the price has been trading below the 50-day moving average since mid-April. So it's been more than 50 days. So what's the short-term trend of BTC? The short-term trend is down, however, the long-term trend is still up. So what do we do? What sort of trade can we initiate in BTC as of now? So if you're a trader and if you're looking for an entry point, should you go long or should you go short? So my analysis is that since there has been a breakdown of around 50-55% or so, I would not be going short here. If I would want to go short, I would wait for BTC to pull up here till the 50-day moving average and then probably short there. Only if it's turning around, if it goes to the 50-day moving average and turns around, starts going down, I could probably initiate a short position there. However, looking at the current scenario, I would be looking to go long in BTC. So this is the range that the stock has been trading in since the past. After the breakdown, if you see, this is the range. The stock is pretty much trading in this range, and this range might get narrower. Also, the 21 EMA has caught up with the price. So, I would be looking to go long above this range. So let's put, two lines here to begin with. These are the lines. This is the range that it has been trading in. 21 EMA has caught up with the price almost. So if the price goes above the 21 EMA and starts trading above it, I will go long in BTC. What will be my target? So I'll be looking to basically sell if it reaches here or if it reaches here, because since the price has broke down from this area very swiftly, very quickly, there will be sellers here, people who got caught up on the long side, and they would want an exit. So if I'm buying around this area, around 41,000, my first target will be 49,600 and my next target will be 56,000. Also, if in a scenario, if we go up and start trading above this area 60,000, then we should negate the downside will be negated on the short term, and we could look at a fresh rally on the upside. So this is something that could transpire. I think the short term selling is done, and we could be looking at long from here, at least from a short term perspective. 200 days still trending upward, so it will take a long time for BTC, for the 200-day to start trending downwards. At least for the next 200 days, if the price stays below the 200-day moving average for the next 200 days, that's roughly 6 months or so, only then we could consider that the long-term trend has changed. So let's give it a week, trade it on a week-to-week basis for now. That would be the best option for short-term traders, in my opinion. Thanks a lot, guys.